5 investment strategies that build wealth through focused attention. The Millionaire Secret. Nobody wants you to know. The answer lies in this wisdom. The way to become rich is to put all your eggs in one basket, and then watch that basket. Andrew Carnegie. Scattered focus is keeping you poor, while others get wealthy. Apply these 5 strategies now. The Millionaire Secret. Nobody wants you to know. 5 focus strategies of the ultra-wealthy. First, strategic specialization surge. Identify your number 1 skill or passion. Focus the majority of your energy there. Second, risk mitigation master plan. Develop a smart plan to manage risks in your chosen area. Diversify within your basket, not away from it. Third, daily progress pulse check. Track key metrics daily, even briefly. Adjust, optimize, celebrate wins, stay laser focused. Fourth, resource optimization rocket. Continuously seek efficiency gains in your chosen area. Maximize returns, minimize waste, become a resource ninja. Fifth, domain domination drive. Become the ultimate expert in your field. Deep knowledge, constant learning, share your mastery, own your domain. Thanks for watching.